Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Parrot Security OS in VirtualBox. First we have to download Parrot Security OS ISO image in VirtualBox. Now we will download Parrot OS ISO image in VirtualBox. Open any browser and search download VirtualBox. Download VirtualBox Windows host setup, as we are using Windows 10. If you are using Mac, then download VirtualBox for Mac OS. Also download VirtualBox extension pack. Now, we have to download Parrot Security OS ISO. Open new tab and search Parrot OS download. Click on the first link. Click on the Parrot Security tab as we are going to install Parrot Security OS. Parrot OS comes in two different desktop environments. I will download Parrot OS with Mate desktop environment. After downloading all files, move them to desktop. Now, you have to install VirtualBox in Windows. Open VirtualBox. Now, you have to add extension pack to VirtualBox. Click on Files and then Preferences. In Extension tab, click on the Add button and add the VirtualBox extension pack you downloaded earlier. Now we're ready to create Parrot OS virtual machine. Click on the New button to create a new virtual machine. Give your virtual machine name. Select type Linux and version Debian 64-bit or 32-bit according to your PC. Now we have to allocate RAM to virtual machine. Minimum RAM requirements to run Parrot OS in virtual machine is 2 GB. Since I have 8 GB RAM, so I will allocate approximately 3 GB RAM to Parrot OS virtual machine. You can allocate according to your RAM amount. Now we have to create virtual hard disk. Click on second option, create a virtual hard disk now. It will create a virtual hard disk for our Parrot OS virtual machine. Select dynamically allocated. At least 10 GB of virtual hard disk is required. I will allocate 30 GB hard disk space. Now let's make some important changes to our virtual machine. Open Parrot OS virtual machine settings. Enable shared clipboard and drag and drop option. From System tab, you can increase or decrease RAM if you want. Click on Processors and assign maximum number of processor you can. Under Display, increase video memory to full. Under Storage tab, go to Controller IDE and then click on Empty. Now click on the CD icon and then click Choose a disk file. Now search for the Parrot OS ISO image we downloaded and add it. Change USB controller to USB 3.0. Now our virtual machine is ready to run. Just click on Start button, it will start the virtual machine. Virtual machine will boot into Parrot OS ISO image. Move down. Click on Install option. And then select Install with GTK GUI. Select language. Select your location and configure the keyboard. Now we have to set up password for root account. Give a strong password to your root account. Now, we will create a new non-root account. Give full name for the new user. And set a strong password, and continue. Note, use tab key to move mouse control. Select time zone. Now we have to make partitions on our virtual hard disk. Since we are installing Parrot OS in VirtualBox, we will use guided partitioning mode. Select first option, all files in one partition and continue. It will create 2 partitions on virtual hard disk. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and click continue. Select no and continue. Select yes and continue. Now Parrot OS installation will start. This may take up to 20 minutes. Now it will ask you to install Grub bootloader on the master boot record. Select yes then continue. Select your virtual hard disk. This will install Grub bootloader on your virtual hard disk. Installation is complete. Parrot OS is installed successfully on the VirtualBox. Now virtual machine will reboot. Now virtual machine will boot into Grub bootloader. Select Parrot GNU/Linux option. Done. We can now log in into Parrot OS and use it. Log in with the account we created while installing. Hope this video works for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.